Good morning, students. The next topic is chapter 5, that is Python variables and operators. It is a beginning of this lesson. What does mean by Python? So Python is a programming languages. So high level language, one of the Python is the programming high level languages, and now YouTube, Facebook and everything is created by Python. So why it is preferring by all in the sense in it's like a C++, Java. We don't want to declare the data type. For example, int a. So the int is not need for here, and as like and many advantages is given by the Python, and it's a high level language, and 100% of the user is using Python now, and the second position only C++, and third one is C and Java as like, but Python is 100% of user. Why? And also the best reason is the students also can understand without the knowledge of the teacher and without the knowledge of others. So that much of easy is a Python programming languages, and in the Python is created by Guido van Rossum. So this is the person, he was created the Python. So when it is released, in the sense 1991 the language is released, and though in the Monty Python Flying Circus is released the browser in the 1992. So this is the book about the Python. This is released with the help of the browser in the year of 1992. The features of Python, I already told 100% of user they are using the Python. So what are the facilities it's having? The Python's best features is what, in the sense, so programming languages can be used for scientific and chemically and non-scientific approaches. So normally programming language is always created for the project only, but the Python, it is performing in all field, including the chemical, including the scientific field and or non-scientific. So every part of the world the Python can work. Even engineering students also, they are using for creating engineering projects, they are using a Python program. So now engineering semester they including a Python programming languages. And platform independent, platform in the sense each languages should also connect with the other language for running, for execution. So always a programming languages depends upon the another programming languages, even a 2% 3%, but Python, it is a independent. So no programming languages need for his development. So platform in the sense the working things. So for independent languages, and Python evenly easily understand by the small children. So even for the school children we can so there are no need the teachers and no need for anyone to understand the concept of Python. Even they can easily understand, and readability also, it's not a difficulty, and it is easily can understand, and readable mode also easily understand by the students and even can everyone. In Python programming languages we can create a coding in a two ways. One is interactive mode, second one is script mode. So as a 12th standard students, we are creating a program, we are doing our practicals and everything with the help of the script mode only. Interactive mode, it is not using by us, because the compiling in the sense it is error checking. Example, in the last year in the C++ you are check the error. So in the line number 2 the error is there, and line number 10 that is a compiling process. After compiling 0 you can get a running, you can go to running process. The compiling always, all the all the programmers, all the everybody like the script mode, they are not using the interactive mode, but both the modes are doing the same work. Both the things is compiling, after that it is running, but always everybody likes a script mode. So why always everybody using script mode they liked, in the sense in the here the interactive mode, the compiling process done by the interpreter, but script mode the compiling process is with the help of the compiler. And what is the difference between interpreter and compiler? In the sense, interpreter always compiling the process, each line is whenever each line is correct, then only we can move to the next line. So it is a very, it's not possible. But in script mode, after writing all the program, finally it will shows the error. So in line by line it will not shows the errors. For the example, in a C++, after writing all the programs, finally only we are compiling, like F9 we are pressing, it shows the error. Even each line we are if we made mistake, if it shows the errors, in the sense it is very uncomfortable for the users and programmers and everybody. So this is held by the interpreter. So if we made any mistakes in each line, it will shows the error. So after clearing that, we can move to the next line. It seems for the each line we have that much of struggle, but script mode not like that. After writing all the programming codings for the particular program, finally it shows the error. So we can see directly how to interactive mode we are active in a Python programming. So it is, so how to open, in the sense, in the Python it is having IDLE link. This is shown ID Python 3.7. I am installed ITLE platform. So it will shows. So this is the page. So it will show the IDLE page. This mode is called interactive mode. That is interactive mode, in the sense how to start all programs Python IDLE link, and the prompts always in a interactive mode. It's not a script mode, interactive mode. Always the prompt starts with triple including. See, the prompt is triple including. So how to execute? So interactive mode always shows the single line. So how it is that we can give a programming, and immediately the next time which is we will show the output. So I am pressing here. So I am pressing the first line 5. So 5 and plus 10. When 5 plus 10, when I am entering the next, it will show the 15. It is the interactive mode programming. And the next one is script mode. How to execute a script mode? This is we are going to create a practical program in a script mode. I'll show you in the same IDLE link. When a Python open, and the ideal link will be open. So here it will show the file menu bars. So in a file we have to create a new file. So it will show this page. So here only we have to create our programming. It will shows the file menu, edit, format, run, options. It is a script mode. So in the two ways we can create a program and we can get the execution. I'm giving a this program. So here, so I'm typing A in a new file. I'm typing A, B, and I'm using the programming codings like this. So in A I'm giving, so A is equal to 100, and the next line I'm giving a B is equal to 200. I'm giving A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 200. In the next line I'm giving a C is equal to A plus B. I'm giving a plus B, and with the help of the print statement, I'm giving the sum. In the name of the sum, the answer is appeared in a C, so the C will out. So I'm create a program like this. So I'm declaring A value and B value, and A plus B I'm declaring in a C, and finally I'm printing this value. This in the name of the sum, the C value has to. So how to run, we can see. First we have to save this program. So how to save, in the sense file, and we have to go with the save as, not use the save. And whenever we are saving, with the help of other whatever we name given by us, I am giving a 1 here with elf, and so I am giving a 100 with the name is 100. So not like that, AB, I'll give AB. So dot py extension we have to give. So Python programs always save in a py Python, so py platform. So I am saving this. The program is saved by AB. So Abhi py in a format, and now I'm running this program with the help of the run mode. So run with the help of the run. So otherwise we can press the F5. It's a short form. So I'm running this program. The output is the sum is equal to 300. The answer is, see, the sum is equal to 300. This is the, so first in a script mode we have to open the ideal window file. We have to go with the new or control plus n. So we have to create a is equal to 10, 100, b is equal to 350, and c is equal to what is that. So in the name of the sum, the answer is will come. That means a 100 plus 350 is equal to c. So we have to save with the file with a save as with the extension of py. I'm saving the file in the name of abhi.py. So go with the run menu and run, otherwise F5 we can give. The output will shown in a program. This is a script mode. As our practical programs we are doing script mode only.